Howdy everyone, welcome back to All American Motors. Tonight we are going to be changing this oxygen sensor, O2 sensor on my truck. I'm going back with another Bosch unit. This is the part number here. It's a 15718. This is the original part for the oxygen sensor. Now I've been getting a code 114 for the IAC intake temperature sensor, and I replaced that sensor, and now I'm getting a code for the oxygen sensor, a 538 code, and I'm hoping that this will fix it and possibly help with my poor fuel mileage. Let's get to installing it. Let me show you what it is inside here. This is it. Got 4 wires on it. Got a little quick, easy connector. I'm just going to take the old one, just going to squeeze down on it, pull it out, and I'm going to take a 7/8 open end, and I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to loosen it up. Let's get doing it. Alright guys, first thing, hopefully y'all can see this up in here. I'm just going to push down this little tab. I'm going to slide that wire connector out. And I'm going to get my 7/8 open end. And I'm going to put it on here. I've already sprayed some PB Blaster on it. And I'm going to loosen it up. Take it out. Is it moving or did it completely slip off? I'm a mess. I'm in the shop. I'm dirty. I'm going to try to explain to you what just now happened in this video. I tried starting out. I did not have the correct tool, which was supposed to be a 22 millimeter, I think. Is it slipping?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's definitely just slipping.
Which they sell an O2 sensor tool. I did not even have that. I had a 7/8 handy wrench in the shop. It fits somewhat like, not even fitting on there because it's all messed up, like that. There's a little bit of play, and I started rounding it off and messing it up. Next, I go, hey, I'm going to put some vice grips in there. No, I probably shouldn't, but we'll put some vice grips on there. We'll beat it with a hammer. Okay, yay. I broke it free the first time. And I couldn't get it, and then it was like free spinning a little bit inside of there. If someone like Grandpa has an idea of what's happening, please comment down below. Actually, this way. These are supposed to be threads.
It was in
They're
orbit.
not. I'll get into that in a minute. It just spinning, and then it got tight on me again, and then it was in orbit. Once I just spinning.
Yeah.
It's that easy, right? I assume it was locked on these this groove right here. So I tried. There's a little groove right here, I assume. So I tried multiple different things. I could not get it. So I gave up. I'm back. I could not get it last night, so I'm back at it today. So as you can see, of course, I've gotten it out, but I ended up just breaking this off. This was just in my way. So I started trying to cut on it right here with the hammer, and then I started trying to drill it out. Hopefully I'm not like up against the threads or anything. Right here, hoping I could drill this out and then eventually like cut these threads. But then I used this propane torch here. I just started heating it up. I was like, well, if I heat up that bung enough, it'll maybe expand and this will be able to pop out, which kind of helped. And I got my vice grips on here. You know, I go in like this, and I'm prying.
Oh yeah.
Would you look at that, guys? And it finally come out. But this is my problem. This O2 sensor was just spinning, locked in there in orbit. It would not come out. So now I'm going to compare it to the new one. I've got a thread chaser. and we're gonna go ahead and install it. So that's what works for me. For me, my oxygen sensor was spinning, like I said, in orbit. What worked for me was heating it up and using the good old vice grips. I almost thought I was gonna have to, you know, weld the new bung in there or take out the exhaust pipe. Let's go see if we can thread the new one. But yeah, like I said, that's what worked. Of course, I always used a hammer beating on everything. Tried with a screwdriver. The thing that worked for me was heat and vice grips. I'm saying that a lot, but that's what helped. Hopefully it helps you in the future. Let's see if this will thread back in here. If not, I've got a new threader. It'll be easy. Go back in. This is what a 10-minute job turned into two-day project. All right, let's put this back in.
Look, and let's see how this works. What's wrong now?
Hey, get me a cheater bar.
Oh man. This is what I'm doing.
Probably the worst way ever, but
Oh well.
that's what I'm doing.
Don't tell me this isn't gonna work. Don't pause the video and right now comment below. Don't tell me this isn't gonna work.
At the end of this video, it'll work.
Pause the video right now and tell me if you think this is gonna work.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to say.
Installing an oxygen sensor. Oh, ah! Alright guys, after a lot of extra work, I finally was able to rethread some threads. They're not perfectly straight, but this is an old truck. May change the exhaust later, I'm not exactly sure, but it's tight. It's in there good. It's not perfectly sealed around this washer. I'm not sure how much exhaust we're actually going to lose. I'm going to go ahead and leave it for now. We may change it up later when I show you how to check for exhaust leaks. But for now, a lot of work. We eventually rethreaded the threads, and now I'm just gonna clip my wire connector in here if this all clips in.
And that's just how you removed it. Just click.
Oh,
And it should go,
yeah,
hopefully.
Nope.
That's what it's supposed to be like.
Oh yeah, clip.
Yep, clip.
Alright. New oxygen sensor.
And
It's installed and it's in place. We'll see what it sounds like, if it fixed my codes or not. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and always subscribe. Don't forget, turn on that bell too. For now, we're out of here.
see ya.
Just keep wrenching when I'm not around. Remember, I'll show you how to use a wrench if you want. Other stuff.
Bye. This is going to be our last video ever.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below.
No, don't comment, because we won't see your comment, because Josiah's given up on YouTube, like he says every time.
No, what is it?